right. Astronaut Lions, let's go. All right, we got to work together today, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Cell 18 says, I have 260. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's what we talked about yesterday. I already, if you guys remember, I set my things and I went to bed. Yanguti. Oh, snap. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh, my God. I'm tripping. That was, okay, look. It's pixel fucking. Even on the little one. I thought, oh, my God. My lettuce ass thought that was this one. I was about to be like, oh, my God, market enter. No. That was, oh, shit. I'm so fucking tired. For a split second, I thought it was this golden pocket. I was like, what the fuck? It's actually going to get here? See. But this is interesting, yeah? But I don't think that really matters. I don't think that really matters. I think it's about this. I think it's about that. So I had my blocks like this. I almost got stopped out right here. You know what's also hella funny? I almost got stopped out right here too. Thank God this was a pixel fuck. Because look. Thank God that was a pixel fuck. Because I was like, oh, I'm going to stop this bitch. Thank God for the pixel fuck. But I don't know. Let's see. It's still an extension of what we talked about. You know, I still think we're going to break this. Like I said yesterday, I don't know if it was going to be yesterday. I don't know if it's going to be today. I don't know if it's going to be Thursday. But I think we're going to break this at some point. I still think I'm going to be able to have a short higher than this line. But that's all I'm at for right now. So I have a question. The golden box is between 618 and 665. Why you go in usually around 78? Because so we've been streaming for about 12 months, Lihu. And at the end of the day, you still have to adjust to historical patterns. So what we've been noticing, Lihu, for the last couple months is the price still goes to 786. What I would assume is that there's a lot of retail that's entering at the golden pocket, and they're putting their stop losses behind the golden pocket all the way to 786. And so even though the textbook definition is 618 to 66, you still need to look at the historical pattern. You might look at it, and you might look at like a 1 hour bull div, and you might think, okay, a 1 hour bull div, that's bullish. But the historical patterns might say, hey, the last 10 1 hour bull divs, they got to the 382 and it got rejected and it wasn't bullish at all, right? So if you notice that the last 10 1 hour bull divs haven't worked out at all, would you take the next one? So it's a combination. You're going to have the textbook definition, but you still need to take a look at what it's doing and the historical patterns and the references and still adjust, Lihu. It's not always black and white. You still have to kind of adjust. Does that make sense? So once you learn all the indicators, Fibonacci, shapes and patterns, all that stuff, then you have to apply the actual technical analysis. Does that make sense, Lihu? Yeah, so a lot of people will be like, oh, there's a bear div. Should I take it? Well, being able to see a bear div, being able to see that the golden pocket is between 618 and 66, that's just observation. That's not analysis. The analysis would be, okay, the last 10 bear divs, they haven't worked out. Or every single time we approach the golden pocket, there's a higher probability that it'll wick through and go to the 786, so why not put your entries there? So basically, long story short, historical patterns, Lihu. All right, hold it down for me. I'll be back in like an hour. All right, I'm leaving right now. I am back. How we doing? I gotta go change. All right. Well, I'm gonna bring the box back. And I think this time I'm going to go like this now. Or that. I'm going to go like this. I think like this, actually. So let's see if we can get that 4-hour bullet diva. But yeah, I guess, I mean, that's the most obvious point. Maybe we should just wait. 12,000 Bitcoin just went into Coinbase. Okay, okay. Is it going to outflow like a motherfucker like yesterday or what? Yeah, okay. Well, okay, this motherfucker has not outflowed out yet. Let's see if it outflows out. Ooh-wee! Level to level. So I'll look to short here, I think. And try to see if there's a long opportunity here. Possible short opportunity here. See if we can get an edge, you know. But I'm just go level to level up in this bitch. I'm tired of getting stopped out. Yeah, so I'm going to just keep it like simple like that. Just 5th grade TA shit. That's like, it's not that complicated, right? And then if you can sprinkle in other stuff that you guys use, other indicators you guys use, other, you know, whatever. Bullets for blunts. What's going on, baby? Cloud says, I've got limits at 224, 22550. Sounds good, Cloud. Yeah, let's see what happens, brother. Who knows, you know? And more importantly, brother, more importantly than the limits, to be honest with you, I think it's about your stop loss. You know, I think it's all easy for us to see that that might be an interesting place to possibly long, but I think the more interesting thing that we all have to remind ourselves about is the stop loss, because it could just nuke. And no matter what we're talking about, whether it's a long or a short, we always have to be objective. You know what I mean? So you do realize I have a short idea ready, that POC above, and if that POC below, if it gets down there, you know, I might take a stab at a long. But as I've been saying, every long I think is small to medium size. It's tight stop loss, you know, mentally and emotionally prep for a possible round trip on that bitch. I think we're binging a lot. Yeah, because, you know what would be pretty classic, brother? All right, so let's say that we just bing, right? You know this bitch is going to go like this. Let's just say that it does actually turn. You know that I doubt it could, on the first move, it would come back to the daily to turn that. But you know there's going to, like, wherever that is, it's going to probably come back to Golden Pocket or 786. So it's gonna, or maybe it just holds it at 382. Maybe that's 382 or some shit. I don't know, you know, but all right. So will the triple bull div on the 4-hour for ES hold? Yay or nay? And the reason why the 3950 level is so important is because it's the biggest gamma wall. So if 3950 is lost, then you're probably going to head back down to 3910, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I'm an island boy. All right. So 3950, biggest gamma wall. So you're telling me on the biggest gamma wall, it's making a 4-hour triple bull div? Interesting. And then you sprinkle in the same thing on Bitcoin. So if we can get the sweep of that low, golden pocket from the low to the high, big swing high, swing low, okay? So from the 21,350 to the 21,000 swing high, swing low, it's at golden pocket right now. So sweep that, come down here, and all I care about, same thing with S&P, all I care about is some sort of bullish edge. So in this case, it might be the 4-hour bull div. All right, so as long as I don't lose, as long as the RSI is higher than this fucker, okay, as long as the RSI is higher than this guy's, and it sweeps that low, I might be looking for it. So if I can get all those things kind of lining up, and that's like best case scenario, it's probably going to be a little bit harder than that. The ES might be a little bit dumping a little bit harder. There's going to be things that'll probably make you doubt a little bit. Ain't no way it's going to be that easy. So you're probably going to have to think about, well, how much tolerance do I want to give? You know it's not going to be pixel perfect. You know the fucker is probably going to break a little bit. It's a 4 hour. You know the fucker is going to break a little bit, you know, and it's going to make you sweat a little bit. So, you know, you're going to have to be mentally prepped. We also talked about how this interaction at the golden pocket took 6 4-hour candles, meaning it was a whole day's worth. So is it going to probably like be like that? Probably not, you know, and you know, there's going to be some sort of like 786 pullback or some shit like that, you know, I would assume. So that's basically what I'm looking at, brother. If I can get some higher time frame divs and edges lining up with point of control, right? Interesting point of control right here, right? Peak. I don't know if you can see that bad boy right there, but there's a huge point of control right there, right? Volume. Golden pocket, confluencing with S&P, confluencing with gammas and options. All right, perfect. All right. All right, saddest part of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for being so patient today. All right, you guys get out of here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to catching up with you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, rooting for you guys, and make sure to pop in the Discord, because if I get filled or if there's any like extra TA that I feel like would be meaningful, I'll share it. So other than that, I think we're just waiting to get filled, see what the levels are. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great night. Peace, everybody.